We've been finding the measure or the measure of center or the middle of our data by finding something called the mean, where we add everything up and divide. So we're going to look at a different center measure of center called the median. And the way to find the median, and all the median is the middle data point. Half the data points will be on one side, the other half will be on the other. So I'm going to go ahead and cross off one at a time data from either end so I can find the middle. I cross that one off and I start at the bottom, top here, at the bottom there. And I keep doing this. Sorry. I know it's like watching paint dry. And I get 14 as the middle piece of data. That means that I have, and I know actually that I have 21 pieces of data. So I would have 10 on this side. 2, 5 is 10, and that's 5. So I have 10 pieces of data here. And I've got 4, and that's 5, that's 5, and that's 10 pieces of data there. So you can see that this balances. Now, if I had gone ahead and found the mean, which I did earlier, if I add up all these numbers of letters and people's names, I got 306. And when I divided 306 by the 21 pieces of data, I got 14 for the mean or the average as well. Now, why would we want to find the middle of the data? Well, in our culture, we find it really important to say we want to know what the average is, or what's like the most common thing, or that. And this is one way of finding it. Now, we'll talk about it a lot later, but there's one more center measure of center, and that's called the mode. And the mode is actually the most frequent answer. The mode is the one that has the most responses. In this case, the mode is actually 18. And it's a little bit different than the mean, but it's a different measure of center. It's the most popular answer. So we find it important in our culture to find this number that represents any group of observations. So where's the middle of any group of observations or set of data?